Hi everyone, today we're practicing morning routine sentences. Ready? Let's go!
I turn off my alarm. I make my bed. I open the curtains. I grab my towel. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I stretch my arms. I pour my coffee. I make my breakfast. I slice a boiled egg. I spread the butter. I eat my breakfast. I fill my water bottle. I pack my bag. I check my phone. I put on my shoes. I lock the door. I wait for the bus. I look out the window. I arrive at the office.
Thank you all so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.